In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sharpen an image in OpenArt. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a soft or slightly blurry photo and bring back crisp edges and clean detail using OpenArt's built-in upscale tool. Start on the OpenArt homepage. On the left side, you'll see a panel with categories. Open the image category to reveal the tools designed for editing and enhancement. From there, choose Image Upscale. This is the feature that boosts resolution while intelligently sharpening edges and textures, often improving clarity without introducing harsh artifacts. Next, click Upload and select the image you want to sharpen. For best results, use the highest quality version you have, ideally a clean JPG or PNG. Avoid screenshots of screenshots or heavily compressed files if you can, because extreme compression can limit how much detail the AI can recover. If your image has fine textures like hair, fabric, or small text, the Upscale tool is especially effective at making those elements pop. You'll now choose the enhancement style, precise, refined, or creative. For sharpening specifically, pick Precise. This mode aims to preserve the original look while tightening edges and enhancing clarity, which is exactly what you want when the goal is sharper detail without changing the character of the image. Refined is a bit smoother and can help if your source has noise or banding, while creative can add stronger enhancements that may slightly reinterpret textures. If you're unsure, start with Precise and only test the others if you need a different feel. Then select the version, Fast or Ultra. Fast is great when you want a quick preview or you're iterating on several images. Ultra takes longer, but it generally delivers the cleanest fine detail and the most natural edge definition. A practical workflow is to verify your choice of style with Fast, then switch to Ultra for the final pass when you're confident in your settings. When you're ready, click Upscale. You'll see the progress as the AI generates the sharper, higher resolution result. Once it's finished, review the image closely. Zoom in on edges like eyelashes, hairlines, fabric stitching, and small lettering. You're looking for enhanced clarity without halos or crunchy textures. If the result feels too soft, try Ultra or switch from Refined to Precise. If it looks too aggressive, step back to Refined for a smoother finish. A single adjustment here often makes a big difference. That's all it takes to sharpen an image in OpenArt. Navigate to Image Upscale, Upload, choose Precise, pick Fast or Ultra, Upscale, and Review. With these choices, you'll consistently turn soft images into crisp, clean visuals.